Symptoms of a bad expansion valve. Your car's air conditioning (AC) system is made up of a variety of components, one of which is an expansion valve, or an orifice tube. Like any other part of the AC system, the expansion valve can prevent proper cooling of the cabin when it fails. So, how do you know if you have a bad expansion valve? Well, let's find out. 1. Poor AC system performance or warm air. AC system underperformance may be a sign of a problem with the AC expansion valve. If the component fails or has an issue, it can disturb the performance of the AC system, causing it to underperform. The AC system may begin to blow noticeably less cold air than before and may even begin to blow warm air, depending on the severity of the problem. 2. Frost on AC evaporator or vents. Another symptom of a potential problem with the vehicle's expansion valve is frost coming from the vehicle's vents. AC evaporator malfunction can cause refrigerant to flow unmetered through the vehicle's AC system, causing the evaporator to freeze over or frost to come from the vehicle's AC vents. Either symptom is a sign that the system is getting too much refrigerant, ultimately lowering its efficiency and performance. 3. Inconsistent airflow. Sometimes a bad expansion valve will provide inconsistent performance in its ability to regulate the flow of refrigerant throughout the system. If this occurs, the air coming out of the vent may be too cold or too warm. The air will likely alternate back and forth between different temperatures at various times. If the air varies between cold and warm, the expansion valve should be inspected at once. 4. Improper system operating pressures. Too high or too low pressure gauge readings may be a sign of an expansion valve malfunction. Normal gauge readings should be between 2 and 3 bars on the low side and 14 to 24 bars on the high side. That concludes this video. If you found the information valuable, make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. See you around.